Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and welcome to a new video. In my last vlog, I have shared what all groceries did I restock for this month and how did I organize my pantry and spices. If you guys have not checked that video yet, I will link it down in the description below. Please do check it out. Coming back to today's video, this is going to be an interesting video because in this video I have shared few meal prep planning ideas which is quick, healthy, fully protein packed, summer friendly, and of course it is very helpful for the people who are there in their weight loss journey. This meal planning includes lot of protein, probiotic, fruits, vegetables, etc. which we can use in various meal ideas including breakfast, lunch and dinner options. Before getting into it, let me show you guys what all veggies and fruits did I restock for this week. I have already washed them and kept them for the air dry. Later I will arrange them back in my fridge. There are some to-dos which we need to do before night of the day when we are actually doing meal prep. So here I have soaked some chickpeas last night and also I have soaked some green moong dal along with rice, out of which I will make a batter for the breakfast option. And here I have wrapped some soaked green moong dal in muslin cloth to make sprouts out of it, which I will use in my breakfast option, or I can add them in lot of varieties of salads too. We can also use it for making curries or any batters too. Okay, so before starting with the actual meal planning, I have some pending work from the grocery refill day, which is roasting peanuts, roasting rava, makhana, etc. and making homemade spices. I actually do these tasks on the day of grocery refill, but that day I was shooting the video, so it took long time for me, so I have skipped it. So today I am getting it done. So here I am roasting the peanuts first in the air fryer. I will keep them in 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. We need to keep mixing them in few intervals for the uniform roasting. Next I have added these whole cumin seeds in the tawa for roasting them, out of which I will prepare the cumin powder. Once the cumin seeds are roasted well, I will take them out in a plate and let them cool before grinding it. Let's restock the eggs, fruits, etc. for the week too. By the time I done with restocking those items, the cumin seeds are also cooled down, so I will quickly make the homemade cumin powder out of it. Next I am going to make some homemade ginger garlic paste, which is one of the most important stuff to always stock in my fridge for the smooth meal preparation throughout the week. So I make this weekly once and stock up for the entire week. Before starting with my meal prep, I am doing all these to-dos so that these can be used in my meal prep planning. Okay, so for the better shelf life of this ginger garlic paste, I will add into it some salt, turmeric powder and some oil before grinding it. And here the ginger garlic paste for the entire week is ready. I have stocked 2 bottles of them in my fridge. So now though the roasting and grinding part is done, so let's start with chopping veggies and storing them. So first here I have started with chopping the tricolor bell pepper, which I use in lot of my dishes. These days, from the time I have started my weight loss journey, in my dinner I am taking sorted veggies, in which I will add this tricolor bell pepper, some broccoli, some beans, carrots, and with that I will keep rotating my protein intake. Like few days I will add tofu or paneer, some boneless chicken. Sometimes I take it with boiled eggs or mushrooms or grilled prawns too. So these chopped veggies will always be handy to make any kind of dishes anytime. Imagine the scenario that you are in your weight loss journey and you have been to office and came back from office tiringly in the evening, and you don't have any patience to chop the veggies, boil them and then make sorted veggies out of it. So in that case, when you have handy these chopped veggies, it is very easy for you to make them. So you no need to rely on ordering some food from outside or having some non-diet food. And that's how this early meal prep helpful for us to maintain a healthy lifestyle and always have a balanced diet without relying on ordering food from outside, which is very unhealthy. Anyways, after chopping the veggies and storing them, next here I am making my glow juice. This is also high in fiber and very helpful for your skin. Nothing much, I am just making simple ABC juice and going to store for the 3-4 days at least in my fridge. Earlier when I used to do work from home or always being in home, that time I used to make this juice freshly every day in the morning. But now though I have started going to office, I will also stock this glow juice also in my fridge. At least for 3-4 days it will be sufficient, and after the stock is over I will again do it. For this I am chopping here equal amount of apple, carrots and beetroots, and I will make the juice in my juicer once it is done. Next, I have kept whole one packet of curd in some muslin cloth overnight to make yogurt out of it, from which I am going to make a very healthy, delicious dip for our sandwiches, rolls, etc. You can make homemade yogurt either this way or in the market nowadays we get lot of yogurt maker. You can use that also to make yogurt out of curd. So first I am taking all the yogurt into a storage box in which later I will add all the spices. I will show you what all spices needs to be added. I am going to make a fresh garlic and coriander dip, for which in a chopper I am going to add some garlic, some coriander leaves and some green chilies for the spice. You can skip this if you don't want your dip to be spicy. I like my dip to be bit spicy, so I am adding the green chilies. If you don't want, you can skip it. After chopping them, you need to add that into your yogurt, followed by some salt, red chili flakes, oregano. If you have some mixed herbs, you can add them too. And also, if you like your dip to be taste little sweet, you can also add some honey. I don't like my dip to be sweet, so I'm avoiding it. And next you need to add some olive oil, and that's it. Mix everything and your delicious, tasty and probiotic friendly dip is ready. You no need to rely on any market purchased mayonnaise hereafter. You can make different flavors using this yogurt for the dip. Let me know in the comment box if you want to know what all varieties of flavors we can make out of it. I will surely include that in my next video. Next I am going to make some paneer marination. If this is ready and stocked in your fridge, you can make grilled paneer or some curries out of it. You can sort them and use it in your sorted veggies. You can grill them and add into your fried rices, etc. So this way a simple paneer marination can be transformed into different meal options. Okay, so for the marination, here I have taken whole curd into a storage box, and I will add the leftover chopped coriander and garlic chili crush which I made for the dip earlier, followed by the salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, roasted cumin powder, pepper powder, and lastly some besan for the grilling. I will also add some mustard oil into it for its better life. And that's it. Mix everything well and add your paneer cubes into it, and you are sorted with your paneer marination for the entire week. Instead of paneer, you can also add boneless chicken if you are non-vegetarian into it. This will also goes equally good. Next, the peanuts are also roasted and cooled down, so I will add them back to their storage jar. Next, I will add makhanas to get roasted into the air fryer with the same temperature and timing setting. Next, I have washed and air dried the sprouts, so let's storage them in this storage box. Now let's make an interesting filling which is full of protein and keep you full for a long time. You can make different recipes out of this base for your breakfast, lunch, even for your dinner and snacks time too. So for this, I have taken some soaked chickpeas and added into cooker for the boiling by adding some salt, turmeric powder and little bit of oil. By the time the chickpeas are getting boiled, let's make the chila batter out of this soaked moong dal and rice. Here I am storing all the dal or pulses washed water in one container. Later I will give it to the plants. You can give it to both indoor and outdoor plants. This is one of the best nutrition meal for them. For the batter here in the mixer grinder, I am adding 1 pinch of ginger, some cumin seeds and some salt, and grind it. Make a smooth batter out of it and your chila batter is ready. Fruits like watermelon or papaya takes more time for the chopping and having it. So it is an best option to chop them before and store them in an airtight container in your fridge. So whenever you want to have it, you can take them out of fridge, let it come to the room temperature and you can enjoy your sweet fruit. Else, whenever we feel to have the fruit, we feel lazy to take it out and chop them and then have it. And by the time we feel to have it finally, the fruits will get worsen. Sometimes it also happens like we store fruits in the fridge and we forget to have it because we are not seeing them every day. So like this, if we are chopping them and keeping them in a see-through container front of our eyes, every day we see them and we get remembered that the fruits are stocked up and we need to consume them. So this way we can also avoid the food wastage. By this time the chickpeas are also boiled and got cooled down. So let's make the base out of it. For this we are also needing of the soyabean or the milk maker. I have soaked the soyabean or milk maker in some quantity in hot water. And here for the filling I have added in a chopper some onions, garlic, green chilies and some coriander leaves and need to fine chop them. I will first take out these chopped veggies in one container and in the same chopper I will add the boiled chickpeas and the soaked soyabean. To this I will also add some salt, turmeric powder, roasted cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, chaat masala. Need to chop this mixture roughly and add back to the earlier chopped veggies. To this mixture now I will add some sesame seeds, red chili flakes, oregano. If you want you can also add some mixed herbs and later I will add some besan also for the binding purpose and mix everything well. With this your base mixture is ready. You can store it in an airtight container and it will go good for at least 4 to 5 days. You can make different meal options out of this mixture. You can make it into tikkis and fry them on the tawa by adding little bit of oil and use it as your sandwich topping, or you can also use it in your rolls or wraps as a filling. And if you are in a weight loss journey, you can serve it with some mint hung curd and top it with some pomegranate seeds and dry fruits, and it is one of the best meal option for both your lunch and dinner. It will keep you full for a long time and you will not feel hungry too, and it is equally delicious and fully protein packed. And with this, my weekly meal prep job is done. With this simple prior chopping, boiling, and marination ideas, we have created a lot of meal options with minimum ingredients. While it is important to plan our meal ahead, it is equally important that how do you store them in our fridge for their better shelf life and timely consumption of them. Now let's see what all we have created for this week. It's a weekday morning and already busy hours are started. In this, I don't need to think more about my breakfast option. The moong dal chila batter is already ready and the peanuts are already roasted for the chutney. So I will quickly pour the chila on the tawa, and on the side I will make quickly the chutney out of the roasted peanuts by adding some green chilies, salt, curry leaves and water. Quickly grind it out and the chutney is ready to serve. You guys can see by doing prior meal preparation how quickly I have created a healthy homemade full protein packed breakfast for the day in no time. And with this note, today's video comes to an end. I really hope this video was helpful and more informative for all of you guys. If so, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. I will soon come back with another video. Until next time, stay tuned and stay healthy. Thanks for watching till end. Bye bye.